Hey y'all, I'm Allie, and today I'm here to tell y'all about the Vikingbags Dominion Crash Bar and Engine Guard. This crash bar stands out because it's made using a high-precision arc welding process and high-grade mild steel to ensure durability. The Vikingbags Dominion Crash Bar has a 33-inch width, which is the exact same length as your handlebars, so if you're an aggressive rider or if you lane split, you don't even have to worry about them being there. Crash bars are important because if things go south, they ensure your safety, they're going to protect your legs, and your bike. They're going to make sure this tank doesn't hit the ground. I put this crash bar on myself. It only took me probably about 10-15 minutes. Super easy, and all the hardware came included for install. And these sliders right here on the end can be replaced. So let's say you lay this thing down, or even you set it down on a parking lot by mistake. Those sliders get a little scratched up. They are replaceable. You don't have to replace the entire engine guard, which is so nice. The Vikingbags Dominion Crash Bar was the perfect choice for me because I prioritize durability, protection with a nice sleek look, and honestly had an amazing price point of $155, which stood out compared to all the competing brands. A couple of my favorite things outside of having the peace of mind of having a crash bar about it is the aggressive look. They had super quick shipping. I got it within like 3 days of ordering it, and let me show you all this. Probably not the intended use, but it is a bonus. If you have mid controls like me and you don't want to spend the time to swap to highway pegs, the crash bar can double as highway pegs. At least that's what I use it for, and I love it. So yeah, huge shout out to Vikingbags. Definitely go check out their crash bars. I absolutely love it. Let's go ride. All right, y'all. Proof's in the pudding. I just laid down a 2026 Low Rider ST with 300 miles on it, just to show y'all how much I trust this Vikingbags Dominion crash bar. Saddlebags are good. The only thing with any weight on it is that crash bar.